Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox a common product yet more useful product. Let's get started. Everyone needs an USB cable for various purposes in their day-to-day life. So I'm gonna review the best budget USB cable. It supports all mobiles. It comes in a hot red and black color combo. This USB cable is pretty long and tough enough for daily usage. Let's test this. Well, the transfer speed is not as much fast as I expected. Final verdict. This may not be the great USB cable you can buy, but it's the best thing in low budget.